Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Grow. It's Andrew here and it's another cool day, but we're in the greenhouse because today we're going to look at how to prick these onions out to create full-sized onions later in the year. So stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll learn more about growing with us. As if by magic, the rain has started. So that was a good call, working indoors today. So I'm going to take my onion seeds that are here. You noticed here I've got several trays full of compost, peat-free compost, and all I'm going to really do is I'm going to select one of the stronger onions growing, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to tease it out, and I'm just using a dibber to do this, and we'll get, there we go, there's my onion. And now this may look a bit mad, but what you do then, if I can find what I've done with them, it's always the way with gardening, you put something down and you lose it. There we go, I've found it. I'm going to take a pair of scissors, I'm going to snip off the top, like so. I'm going to snip a little bit of the root off. Then what I'm going to do, just move this away. I'm going to replant this in a tray, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create what we call block onions. And what I mean by that is I'm going to plant 3 onions in each module, and they'll be planted like that as well. So you can see it's now standing lovely and proud. The cutting at the top of it will boost growth. I've always done that, and I'm going to put another one there, another one there. I'm going to show you again how to do it. Here's my scissors. Snip. Not too much root on that, so I'm not going to worry about it. And in it goes, like so. And I'm going to repeat this right across the trays, and I'm going to show you what they look like at the end. So there you are, from one tray to blocks of onions. What happens, they grow, they'll push apart from each other in the ground. I've got now 72 onions. I didn't pay anything for this packet of seed. Someone gave it me. It was on the front of a cover of a magazine, and they didn't want the onions because they thought they were faff. And it just shows you how easy it is. I sowed these originally in February. I'm now pricking them out. It's the start of, what are we in now? We're coming towards the end of March, start of April. These will go out in the open ground sometime in June. And that is how to prick out onions and turn them into what we call block onions. They're probably called different things in different places, but I know it's block onions. I learned that in an allotment from an old timer. He said it saved space. As long as the onions were fed, they still swelled to the same size. Now, something the old timer didn't do is all these little cuttings that are left. Can you see them? Don't throw them away. Put them in a salad. Eat them. They taste of onion. Mild, lovely, great. Don't throw away. When you have discarded seedlings, any kind of lettuce, vegetables, they are microgreens. Use them. Lovely onion hit right at the end. So, it's goodbye from me at Life on Pig Grow. Don't forget we're here every Saturday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.